Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this 2021 Jeep Compass that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today, just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Starting with, it is in your black paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the unit. So a really slick looking ride. Coming around towards the back here, you can also see it is equipped with your backup camera, as well as your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Just to check out some of the cargo space in the back here, you can see a decent amount of room back there. Store your gear bags kind of secured, out of the way, well on the go. Just to check out some of the features inside here. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers, so you can get 3 quite comfortably in that back seat. Rubber floor mats included both front and back, so a great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface. You do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there, climate control options, your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to some of the apps that are included in through there, navigation, your Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. Just below that, again, access some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there, and through your center console area. You do have your USB port hookups back there. Keyless entry is included on the unit as well, so you do have your push button start just in behind there. You can see the key fob right here. Remote start's included, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to your cruise control options. Adaptive cruise control is equipped there. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. Of course, all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. But if you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, this Jeep Compass could be the option for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.